Have you ever found yourself in a situation where someone you care about is hurt or is sick and you have no idea what to do? You're not alone. Most people freeze up in emergencies, unsure of the best way to help until paramedics arrive. But what if you could be prepared? What if you had the knowledge and skills to make a difference in those critical moments? Imagine for a second, your child choking on a piece of food, your partner having an allergic reaction out of nowhere. What do you do in those moments? These are just a few countless scenarios that happen every day all across America, and knowing what to do can literally be life-saving. Introducing Emergency Medical Tips for Everyday People, your essential guide to handling medical emergencies with confidence. This comprehensive ebook that I put together empowers you to become a hero in your own home, equipped with the knowledge to stabilize the situation and increase your chances of a positive outcome while waiting for professionals or paramedics to show up. But this ebook goes beyond basic first aid and things like that. You'll also learn how to create a home emergency kit tailored to your specific needs. You'll also learn common mistakes to avoid during emergency situations. Don't leave the well-being of your loved ones to chance. Invest in your peace of mind and the safety of those you care about. Get your free copy of Emergency Medical Tips for Everyday People today by clicking the link below, and it'll take you straight over there. Again, these are my tips and my tricks that I personally use every day out in the field, and I'm trying to pass this on to you so you have the best knowledge that you can possibly have and confidence in your own abilities to take care of you and your family. Now let's get back to the video.